Welcome back, YouTube. This is your 8th PHP tutorial, and this time I'll be teaching you about the do. So first let's set a variable like we did for the while loop. Cache, we'll call it num this time. I think last time I called it val for value, num for number this time. So the syntax for do is a bit different than like if or while or for each, etc. You type in do and then your curly brackets, but yeah, that's the syntax for do. So we're saying this is what we want it to do when it executes the code for do. We're going to want to increment our number, and then we'll echo the number and break the line after it echoes each number, and it'll do this over and over and over. But we don't want it to keep going, otherwise it'll never stop. You hit refresh and then basically you're stuck in an endless loop. So we'll say while the number is less than 10. Okay, so we'll say so what we're saying is what we want to do is increment the number, then echo the number, and then break the line and echo the next number, but only while the number is less than 10. So let's save that, and I'm going to run this. See? Same thing happened. Now the reason we didn't return the value 1 is because we incremented it first, then we echoed it. If we would have echoed it first and then incremented it, then we would have returned the value 1 through 10. But as you can see, order of things is important. Well, that's basically it that goes into the do loop, and this is PHP Owners. But in the next tutorial, I think I'll be going over the for loop, which are probably the two most important loops, while and for, because I rarely use do, but while and for you will definitely need. Comes in handy a lot. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.